So the second play has the case where I can simply strike. So as she comes to strike, I parry, and there's a big enough opening, I can just strike straight over the top. Let's see that again. Now this appears to be violating the instruction to pass across, or to pass in, and it's possible, I suppose, that having done the accrescere you might step back, but there's no reason, that's very unlikely to be the situation. And if we look at the Pisani-Dossi manuscript, you can find a play where it's shown this way around and he says he's done it without passing. So you will find the full academic case for this in From Medieval Manuscript to Modern Practice, the Longsword Techniques of Fiore de Liberi. So let's have a look at that technique again. I parry and strike. A point we should make here is that we're not dependent on a perfect maggiore fendente for this. Anytime you have a cut coming towards you, this is what you do. And the trick is you may have to modify the line of your blow to get the crossing that Fiore asks for, or rather tells you to do. So if, for example, you strike from the other side, just a backhand blow, yeah, or as a left-hander or whatever else, it doesn't matter, I'll parry it that way. So previously I was parrying it straight up, I'm now parrying it kind of here. Let's have a look at that again, quite slow. And all the same things can happen. Let's have a look at that again. And Fiore does say that you can pass forwards and do grips and binds and wrestling. So if I wanted to, having beaten her out of the way and hit her somewhere or other, I absolutely could step in and do wrestling stuff if I wanted to. Okay? And he tells us that in the text. And that's where the pass comes in. It brings you into range where you can get your left hand onto your opponent.